To get a Revolut QR code in 2025, start by ensuring you have the latest version of the Revolut mobile app installed on your device. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and log in to your Revolut account using your email address and password. If you are new to Revolut, you will need to sign up for an account by providing some basic personal and financial information. This will include your name, date of birth, and address, as well as some identification documents. Once your account is set up, you can proceed to get your Revolut QR code. To access your QR code, navigate to the Payments tab within the app. From here, select the option to generate a QR code. You will then be prompted to choose the type of QR code you want to generate, such as a QR code for a specific payment or a general QR code for your Revolut account. Choose the option that best suits your needs and follow the on-screen instructions to generate your QR code. Your QR code will be displayed on the screen, and you can use it to receive payments from friends, family, or businesses. You can also save your QR code to your device or share it with others via email or messaging apps. When using your Revolut QR code, make sure to only share it with trusted individuals or businesses to avoid any potential security risks. Also, be aware of the fees associated with receiving payments via QR code, as these may vary depending on the type of payment and the sender's location. In summary, getting a Revolut QR code in 2025 is a straightforward process that can be completed within a few minutes. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can start using your Revolut QR code to receive payments conveniently and securely.